Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today's an exciting one. We got the keys to our new house. So I am going to share an empty house tour so you can see this new place that we are calling a home. I'm not sure if I mentioned in a previous video, but we are moving in with my sister and my brother-in-law. It's gonna be the four of us. And we moved out of the city, so we now live approximately, I would say like 30 to 40 minutes outside of like the financial district in San Francisco. So yeah, just down the peninsula in a suburb, and this is definitely more our speed, and we are going to start moving in. So let me show you the house first before we move all of our stuff into it. All right, so I'm here at the front door. I'm so sorry if you hear an echo. This is an empty house and also I just ran up the stairs, so I'm a little out of breath. But here is our front door, and it opens right into the living room. So here we have the living room space, and this is a two-story house. Here I am in the mirror. You go up the stairs to get through the front door. So this table and chairs actually belonged to the last tenant. They left it for us. The landlord asked us if we wanted to keep it, and we said yes, because this table is actually really nice, and we don't have a big, nice table. We don't know if we'll keep it long term. We may try to give it away if we get something different, but it's beautiful. It's from Pottery Barn, and it actually has a leaf too, so we can extend it really big. So this is our dining room space area, and then out here we have our back door, and it is a balcony. So coming out the door, it's a little windy, but here is our little patio area, and then down below we have our backyard. I am so excited for this backyard, and then you can see it better from here because it's from up above, but I will also show it from the ground level too. One of the huge perks to this house is there are berry bushes out there in the backyard. I'll do a close-up when I'm down there, but yes, I'm very excited. They haven't grown berries yet, but our landlord told us in about a month there will be berries. So then coming off of that back area, here is our kitchen. I love this kitchen. I love how bright it is, and there's like a little nook here where we can put ideally like a bar cabinet. We'll probably keep our bar cart for now and put it right there, but here is our kitchen, microwave oven, and we actually have a second fridge in the garage, which I'm so excited about because there's gonna be four of us, so two fridges is ideal. And then as you can see, the window goes out to the view, and then we have our dishwasher. We actually got the keys yesterday, and so my fiance Jonathan is already washing out the fridge shelf just so it's nice and clean for when we move in our stuff. And then we'll go through here. So coming through here, this is where the front door was, but before I go through the rest of the house, see there's the front door. We have this coat closet and there's mirrors on the doors, which will be great for when we're about to leave the house. We got a rack here, and then the other side is really great for storage. So this will be perfect to keep all of our shoes. And then through here, we have the master bedroom. So this is bedroom number one. This is going to be Jonathan and I's room, and I am so excited for this closet. We have a beautiful walk-in closet. Lighting is actually not too bad. These two dressers were from the tenants previously. I don't want that one, but we'll probably keep that one. This one we'll probably just give away, or I'll see if my sister wants it. And then it goes into the ensuite bathroom. We have a tub here, shower, and then the sink and the toilet. So heading back out into the hallway, down this hallway, we also have an alarm system, which is wonderful. Here is the second bedroom. This one definitely has the best lighting, just a basic bedroom. And then this bedroom just has a normal closet. So it looks like this from both sides. At the end of the hall, here is our second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms in it. This bathroom will probably serve as our guest bathroom because it is close to the kitchen, and it has a bathtub here. Here I am again, hi. That's it for the first floor. Let's go down to the second floor where the second 2 bedrooms are. So here's the staircase down to the second floor. All right, so right over here, here's just like an extra little room, little nook. So this will be kind of where we store our everyday shoes, since that door leads out to our garage. And then you can see our backyard better through this window. And then here is the third bedroom. This is going to be Jonathan's office. Again, beautiful view of the backyard. And he has already started moving in some of his books. So that's what that is. And then we just have a basic closet in this one too. The last bedroom will be my brother-in-law's office. So we have another closet here, and then it's just normal size room. And then the last part of the house, this is one of my favorite parts though. I love just little extras like this. This is our laundry. So we have an entire closet for our laundry. In the house we live in now in San Francisco, we have a washer dryer, which is amazing, but we have to go outside of the house into this like little tiny room off of the house. So here it's going to be so nice to have everything nice and organized and have everything inside. This door right here goes out into our front lawn. So you can enter the house through this door, or you can go upstairs and go through our front door. And then this room I'm very excited about. It is a full cleaning closet. So it has a lot of storage. We can put our suitcases in here. I want to make it cute with all of our cleaning supplies so we can have everything kind of hanging. But that will be a project for another day, of course. All right, so I'm gonna go through the garage to the backyard. I'm hoping it's not too windy. If it is, I will just do subtitles if you can't hear what I'm saying. But let's go out to the backyard real quick. All right, here is our backyard. So we have this concrete slab that we'll probably put some outdoor furniture in. And then as you can see, we have some berry bushes. This one is going to be a blackberry bush. And then we have, I think these are going to be strawberries, this one back here. And this one possibly is a blueberry. Yeah, it looks like blueberries. Look at those flowers. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And then over here, this one is a cherry bush. I am so excited for this one. What are you doing over there? This backyard was definitely one of the selling points when we toured this house, because we definitely want to get a dog in the near future. So it is perfect for a dog to run around and also for us to just hang out here in the sun. So that concludes our house tour. I hope you enjoyed. We are so excited to start getting settled here. And so I plan to film a lot more home content in the future. So if you like home content, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so I know to make more content about making this house a home. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.